next up, Whitecliff. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates. Let's go ahead and do it. Heading across to this area, we'll need to find our way into the central building over here, usually from the south side. Okay, so heading across to this southern entrance over here, we'll make our way in, and of course, hopefully one of these guards will drop us an access card. So we'll head up these stairs and into the southern entrance, where just in front of us, we should find a couple of guards, followed by, just behind them, the weapon crate over here. So hopping over, right here, inside of the weapon crate, we have these items. Then we'll head to the back right over here, and you should find an elevator. We'll use it. This will take us up, so bam. And when we get up here, we'll head out. Then, just to the right from the elevator, through this door, you should find the elite in this room here. The Rosetta Mechanic. Yet again, he'll fly around angry drones at you. We'll get rid of him, and when we do, they should drop us some pretty good stuff, in which I got these. Not too bad. Now with these, we'll head back towards the elevator, and from here, we'll go out to the left through this door. Then, at the first turn here, we'll go left, and this very bright room over here, we'll go into it. Inside of here, you'll find a couple more guards, and over to this back right side, we should find another weapon crate right here. We'll grab it, and this is what we get from it. Then, we'll head back out of here the way that we came in, and continue along this passage. At the very end, we'll go left here, and inside of this room to your right, you should find the gear crate on the table. Inside of it, we get these items, and upstairs you can already see that we have the mystical crate right over here. And inside of this, we get these items. Pretty cool. And with that, we've pretty much wrapped up this area. There's not too much crazy going on here. It's just those 3 crates, plus the mystical crate, and of course the elite that we've already got rid of on the inside. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.